Hi, let's see how to reset DVR password. First of all, we are going to reset the DVR password through Internet Explorer. Browse the device IP address through browser. Type the IP address of your device. Here our device number, device IP. Once you browse the device, you can select forget password. For on the forgot password option, we are going to use DMS's app for reset our password. First you have to click DMSS from Apple Store or for Android Play Store. Just download the DMSS software. Once you download the DMS application, here you have an option to download and install the DMSS application. Yeah, we have downloaded the DMS application. Open the application and go to main menu. On the main menu, you can select Tools Manager. Once you select Tools Manager, there is option Device Password Management. Click Device Password Management and scan the QR code of your DVR. Just scan the QR code of your DVR. As soon as you scan, you will get a message. Your password request successfully done. So you will receive an email message with a security code, which code can be used for DVR password reset. The code is valid till 24 hours. Next, you have to go to browser and select copy the security code from your email which you received. Just copy the security code and paste it on your browser, whereas security code required. Just copy paste the security code here in browser. Then press next. Now on the reset window, provide a valid password, new password. You have to provide valid new password to reset the DVR password. And confirm the password again and press yes. Now your password has been changed. This is how changing your password on DVR from browser. Now let's see the second option. First you have to do right click from live view screen to locate the login screen of recorder. If you have pattern setup, click forget unlock pattern. If you have password, just click forget password. So just click the forget password or forget unlock pattern. Once you click, you will receive a QR code. As I explained earlier, the same method can be used. Download the IDMSS software and reset device password and get the security code. Copy paste the security code on the window whereas required and press next, and provide new password which is required. Just provide new password and confirm the password. You will receive notification successfully reset password. Click OK. Then your DVR password is already resetted. Now you can use the new password to log in your DVR. Thank you.